Backlog AI Assistant helps you turn project conversations into actionable work while keeping you fully in control. Let's say we need to create a specific task for our mobile app project, something that's ready to be assigned and worked on. For example, create an issue for push notifications error handling. Backlog AI Assistant creates a clear, well-structured issue, including a detailed description and priority, so it's ready to move forward. Before anything is added to the project, Backlog AI Assistant asks for approval, allowing you to review the issue and make adjustments if needed. Only after approval is the issue created in Backlog. You can go to the issue directly here, or look for it using the search box. As requirements evolve, you can also use Backlog AI Assistant to refine existing issues and update other information, such as status. Just like before, no changes are applied automatically. All AI-driven actions respect your existing access permissions and are recorded, ensuring full traceability. Here you can see a summary of the changes made and access the issue via the link. With Backlog AI Assistant, you can create and refine issues faster while maintaining full control over every change.
And that's it. Thanks for watching.